Are you looking to start a side hustle but don't have any money to invest upfront? You're not alone. Many people are turning to side hustles as a way to boost their income. But the good news is you don't need a hefty budget to get started. Whether it's leveraging your skills, using free online platforms, or tapping into your existing network, there are countless opportunities to launch a profitable side hustle with absolutely no money down. We'll show you exactly how to start, grow, and succeed with a side hustle, all without spending a dime. Today we will talk about how to start a profitable side hustle with $0. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Identify marketable skills and strengths. The first step in starting a zero investment side hustle is identifying your skills. What are you good at? What can you do that others are willing to pay for? These could be tangible skills like graphic design, writing, or programming, or more personal traits like communication, organization, or problem solving. Think about what you've already done in your personal or professional life that could translate into a service or product. For example, if you've been the go-to person for writing resumes or offering career advice, you could turn this into a paid service. The more niche and specialized your skill, the easier it will be to find clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. 2. Leverage free online platforms. Once you have a skill in mind, you'll want to find platforms where you can showcase it to a large audience at no cost. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to list your services for free, enabling you to reach a global pool of potential clients. You don't need a website or a business license to start on these platforms. Simply create a profile, outline your skills, and begin bidding or offering your services. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can also help you market yourself. These platforms give you the ability to promote your side hustle, network with potential clients, and share your work to attract attention. 3. Start small and test your ideas. It's crucial to test your side hustle idea before diving in completely. This means starting small and seeing if there's genuine demand for your services. You don't need to create a large-scale operation right away. Begin by offering your services to friends, family, and people within your network. If you're a writer, for instance, offer to write blog posts for a small business in exchange for a testimonial or referral. If you're a photographer, take some sample shots for local events and use the images to build your portfolio. This approach will give you a sense of how much time and effort the hustle will require, as well as an early understanding of how much people are willing to pay for your service. 4. Utilize free tools and resources. While starting a side hustle for free may require some creativity, there are plenty of free tools and resources that can help you along the way. For example, if you're a writer, Google Docs is a free tool for creating and sharing documents. Canva offers free design tools for creating eye-catching social media posts, flyers, and promotional materials. If you're providing a service that requires collaboration with clients, you can use free project management tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized. For marketing, tools like Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to schedule social media posts ahead of time, saving you time and allowing you to stay consistent in your outreach. These tools allow you to operate a professional side hustle without any upfront costs. 5. Build a reputation and network. The success of your side hustle will largely depend on your ability to build a reputation and network. Reputation is key because positive word of mouth will bring you repeat clients and referrals. This process often starts with doing great work at an affordable rate. As you complete projects and build a portfolio, you can gradually raise your rates. Networking also plays a major role in getting your first few clients. Attend free webinars, join online communities related to your niche, and connect with potential customers or collaborators on LinkedIn. Offering helpful advice or sharing useful content can position you as an expert in your field. 6. Work on personal branding. Your personal brand is how potential clients perceive you. It is the unique value proposition you offer, the way you communicate, and the trust you build with your audience. A strong personal brand is an invaluable asset to any side hustle. You can build your brand by creating a cohesive presence across all platforms. If you are a graphic designer, for example, your Instagram feed should reflect your design style. If you're a writer, your LinkedIn should showcase your expertise and portfolio. You can also blog or write guest posts to further establish credibility. Personal branding takes time, but with consistent effort, it will make you stand out in a crowded market. 7. Focus on consistency and time management. While starting a side hustle with $0 can be exciting, It can also be challenging if you're balancing it with a full-time job. This is why time management is critical. Consistency is key to seeing growth in any side hustle. Set aside specific hours each week to work on your hustle, even if it's just a few hours a day. This will ensure you stay productive and committed. You may need to sacrifice leisure time or other non-essential activities to invest in your hustle. Consistency doesn't just apply to work. Make sure you maintain regular communication with your clients and deliver on your promises. Over time, this commitment will lead to greater opportunities and a solid reputation. 8. Monetize your side hustle. Once you've built a foundation for your side hustle, it's time to start making money. Depending on the type of hustle, there are different ways to monetize your skills. If you're offering services, start by setting competitive rates based on your experience and market demand. As your reputation grows, you can increase your prices accordingly. For product-based side hustles, consider using print-on-demand services, dropshipping, or selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or stock photography. Many platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable allow you to list and sell digital goods with no upfront cost. 9. Scale gradually. Once your side hustle is profitable, the next step is to think about scaling. Scaling doesn't mean you have to spend money right away. Instead, focus on optimizing your current processes. You might hire help as your workload increases, use automation tools to streamline tasks, or find ways to optimize your workflow. You could also expand your offerings or target a larger audience. 10. Stay persistent and adaptable. One of the most important elements of starting a profitable side hustle at $0 is persistence. The road may not always be smooth, and it may take time to build up a client base or generate consistent income. However, persistence will pay off. The more you refine your skills and improve your offerings, the more attractive you will be to potential clients. Additionally, you should stay adaptable. If a particular strategy isn't working, be open to pivoting and trying new approaches. The digital world is constantly evolving, and so should your hustle. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.